In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Smartsheet dashboard. If you're new to Smartsheet or just looking to refine your dashboard editing skills, you're in the right place. We'll tackle everything from navigating your workspace to customizing widgets, allowing you to tailor your dashboard to suit your unique needs. Let's kick things off by heading to your home screen or workspace. This is your starting point for accessing all your sheets and dashboards. Here, you can see an overview of your projects and quickly access your dashboard of choice. Once you're on the home screen, go ahead and click on the dashboard you'd like to edit. This is where your journey to a more personalized dashboard begins. Once you've opened your desired dashboard, your next step is to locate the Edit button at the top of the screen. Clicking this button will enable editing mode, allowing you to make all the adjustments you need. Now that you're in editing mode, let's add some content. Look for the plus add widget button, a key feature in customizing your dashboard with various elements. When you want to add a new widget, you'll find you have quite a few options. Widgets are powerful tools and you can choose from a variety of types. For example, you can add a chart widget, which might include bar, line, or pie charts to visually represent your data. Alternatively, opt for a metric widget if you need to display specific data from your sheets. For custom headers or notes, the title text widget is your go-to. Need to include images or company logos? There's an image widget for that. For quick access, use a shortcut widget which links directly to your sheets or other dashboards. Lastly, the report widget shows data extracted from various reports, keeping your dashboard both informative and versatile. Once your widgets are added, fine-tuning them is easy. Simply hover over any widget and click on the three vertical dots that appear. This brings up an edit menu, letting you make changes and adjustments as needed. Furthermore, you can click and drag these widgets to reorganize their layout on your dashboard. This drag and drop functionality is incredibly user-friendly, allowing you to create a dashboard layout that makes the most sense for your needs. Resizing widgets can be done by grabbing the bottom right corner of the widget box and dragging it to your preferred size. This flexibility ensures that all elements fit seamlessly within your dashboard's design. If you want to modify the overall look of your dashboard, click Edit and then select Dashboard Settings. Here, you have the option to pick a Smartsheet theme or even create your own custom theme, giving you creative control over the aesthetics and flow. Once all your edits are complete, the final step is to click Save in the upper right corner of the screen. This action exits the edit mode and locks in all your changes, ensuring your dashboard is ready to use. And there you have it, you're now equipped to edit Smartsheet dashboards with confidence and creativity. Keep exploring and fine-tuning your dashboards for the best results. Thanks for following along.